Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we'll see the difference between fuse and earth. This is one of the most frequently asked question in electrical engineering interviews. Let's get to it. So I'm taking one electrical equipment, some box, which is made up of metallic body. The outside body is of metal. I'm considering some rating 220 volts and 5 amperes rating some appliance. It could be fan or it could be AC. It could be anything. So same thing I had taken in this case also here. Both are identical. And we have a power supply here. Let's take AC supply or DC supply, anything, it doesn't matter. This 5 ampere represents the rating of the appliance. Means this appliance is designed to carry 5 amperes, not more than that. If the current drawn by this appliance is more than 5 amperes, it will get damaged. So let's see. What are these two? What is fuse and what is earth? What for they're used? Both are for safety. Both are for safety measure. But fuse is protecting or safeguarding the appliance. This is to protect the appliance. Earth is to protect the human beings. Fuse is to protect the appliance when there is some abnormality. Earth is to protect the human beings, the operators, when there is a abnormality. Let's see in details. There is some coil, suppose some winding is there, something is there, some electrical connections are inside this appliance. So I have given a supply, AC supply I have given to this, some internal connections are there. So likewise here also. There is some internal structure. So power supply has given to the appliance. Because of some abnormality, it is drawing more than 5 amperes. Current going into this is more than 5 amperes because of internal short circuits of the winding. The resistance inside this has reduced, hence the current is drawing more. So if current is more than 5 amperes, as I said, this appliance is designed to carry just 5 amperes, not more than 5 amperes. So it will be damaged very soon because it is drawing more than 5 amperes. So we'll use a fuse here of 5 ampere capacity. Before the appliance get damaged, the fuse will get damaged. So now once fuse is blown off, no current is going, 0 ampere current is going. So my appliance is safe. Now let's come to earthing. Again here also there is some abnormality. Because of the abnormality, this live wire is in connection with this metallic body. Previously, there was some internal short circuits or internal malfunctioning, hence it is drawing more current. But in this case, if this internal, any one of the connection is in contact with the outside metallic body, this normally we used to experience in old computers. If you are using PC, then CPU you may sometimes feel shock. That is because there is some connection inside the CPU is in contact with the body. So if an operator is in contact with this, if the operator is touching this metallic body, now this connection has got a path through this body, it will go to ground. So he will get shock. And of course, this current may be very small amount of current might be flowing, but that is enough to give him shock. So to avoid this, what we'll do is, we'll use a simple technique, just Ohm's law basics. We know current will always flows through a least resistance path. So I provide another least resistance path from the body to the ground. So from this metallic body, I'm taking one wire and I'll directly connect to the earth. So when there is some internal fault, internal malfunction, even though this is in contact with the body, now current is flowing through this path, because this is the least resistance path compared to the person's body. So person is safe, operator is safe because of this earthing. Now this small current may not be detected by the fuse. Even though we are having a fuse here, as the current is very small, so the fuse may not operate definitely, because if this current is 0.1 ampere, that depends on severity of the fault. So this 0.1 ampere also can give him a deadly shock. So, but this 0.1 ampere, fuse will not respond, fuse will not blow off. So normally people say fuse is to protect overcurrents, earth is to protect leakage current. But actually it is, both are safety devices. Fuse is to protect the appliance and earth is to protect the operator or a human being. Thank you for watching. Please react to the video by clicking like